Chuma gani huyo? Chuma out 3 out 3. Ngale likabeki.
Wewe na maseke tunawatia kama unasikia. Fanya mambo yako, fanya mambo yako.
We were able to arrest one person who was going to Dubai in Moi Airport. And we were able to recover from him 44 pellets of cocaine. And these are the exhibits that were recovered from him. Immediately after the arrest, he had swallowed it, 44 of them carrying in the stomach, going to Dubai from Moi Airport. We intercepted him, we took him to our place of isolation, and we were able to recover from his stomach 44 pellets. The market value of the pellets which he was carrying in his stomach is estimated to 1.5 in the stomach, one trip. We went to his home and recovered 64. We went to his home and recovered 16 others. So giving a total of 60 pellets of cocaine which were recovered from this suspect. He's still in custody and the case is pending before a court of law. In the last quarter, this quarter that is of June, May and April, the last quarter, we have made a very robust operations, carried out operations. And we are able to net about 10,700 grams of cannabis sativa. 10,700 kilograms of cannabis sativa. That's 7,000 grams of heroin and 1,330 grams of cocaine. Meth, we had about 205 grams detected.